Okay, Hap for Hap Around the House. This is our cabbage crust pizza in a cast iron pan. And it's time we dress the pizza. Another video I showed you how to make the sauce. So we take the sauce, and I sauce all the way to the edge. You don't have to. And it will use all of this sauce. Very rarely do I have any left over. Okay, put a little cheese down. Okay, so that's the pizza being made. Now I also put a little garlic on it. And I also put some Italian seasoning on it. Parmesan. A little bit of that olive oil. And that is it. Now you can also, and I have from time to time, ground pepper on it. I do have a pepper grinder, so why not? And that's it. Now we'll put that into a oven, 350 degrees. I cook it for 45, well, this is where your preference will come in. I leave it uncovered for about 40, 45 minutes at 300. Then I cover it, cook it for the rest of the way. And how I know it's done is I will take a fork and I'll get in the middle. Notice how I didn't really put anything in the middle? I want that middle to cook, so I don't want really a whole bunch of toppings on there. So the next video will be us cooking it. This is Half Wrap Around the House. If you liked the video, hit the like button, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.